I will show in this video how to install WordPress in localhost. This both software already downloaded. You can download link in the video description. First install this software. Start Apache and MySQL. Extract WordPress file. Copy WordPress file. Search XAMPP, right-click and open file location. Again, right-click and open file location. Open htdocs file. Paste here. Click to admin. Create new database. You can put any name. Click to create. Open your browser, type localhost, WordPress, and enter. Put your already created database name. Username is root. Submit. Run the installation. Now type site title and username. Copy this password or create new password. Save site login username and password. Type valid email address. Click to install WordPress. Login WordPress. OK, WordPress site is ready. Thank you for watching.